Hello guys, and today we are checking out SCR version 2.1, the longer trains update. Also, I'm sorry it's a bit late because I didn't have Robux earlier, and the pass to get the trains costs Robux anyway. Let's become a driver and see what there is. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. There is a 390, 9 car 390, 11 car 800, 9 car 801, 9 car 801 double, 800 double, and there is also 397 double, and 220, and 221 double. This is so good. There is so much to choose from, and I bet they all look nice. The one bad thing is it's 1000 Robux. Also, there is some new routes for Express. We will check them out later. Wow, look at Airlink. They have the 802 double variant. It's bad they don't have the 9 car 802, I think, because they extended platforms. Airlink should get the 745. That's cool. They also have the 387 double and the 397 double. Now that 387 at Stepford Depot is real. We will drive the 390, 11 car variant. Also about the new routes, they made the Western Coast Express and the West Wyvern Express. There we go, we have spawned, and oh my gosh, this looks amazing. I really think they did a good job on the 390 Pendolino. By the way, if you were wondering, I did the Leighton Express route, so once I have turned around, I will call it St. Helens Bridge, Benton, Leighton Stepford Road, and Leighton City. Look at that though, the trains are so long, like it's literally 11 cars. The only thing I don't really like about the 390 is that where the coupler would come out. I don't really know why I don't really like it. I just don't like it. But they are good at modeling. I don't really know what to say, so I'm just going to speed it up. Look at that, there is another Pendolino there. It's really weird to see loads of people driving Express, because before it was only people either the real GS who drove the HST and the IT lovers, and then they updated the Voyagers and added the 387, which made Express a bit more popular, but now all I see is Express because of the longer trains and the Pendo. I hope we can get a guard because I'm like low on points kinda, because I only have 1200 points and am trying to get the 158 on Connect because I have it in Train Sim World. Look at that, he is literally in the buffers. Please don't eat the buffers. That's actually a good stop to load now and speed it up. Why is the dispatcher not dispatching? Where even is the dispatcher?
The train now standing at platform 1 is the 09.
I mean, there's only a 707 and a 720 here, so it shouldn't be that hard. There is a 801 coming in. Is that a double?
Leighton, Stepford Road.
No, that's just a normal boring 5-car unit.
This train is for
What are they doing there?
coaches. First class is located at the rear of the train. The train
Bro, it's a red signal, I don't like that. Also, where is that dispatcher? I'm literally almost 1 minute late. Here he is, that's good. I'm going to speed this up now. I recommend when approaching St. Helens Bridge, if you're in express at 125 miles per hour, start slowing down at 0.6 miles and 0.5 at the latest, and put the green marker at 40 or 30. As you can see, we are at 40, and the platform is just in front of us. Also, there is a pendolino. Oh, look at that, he overshot. Also, earlier when I told you a good way to stop, I didn't mean just St. Helens Bridge, it works anywhere, and I use it at every station, but when I'm late, I slowed down at 0.5 miles instead. Also, I don't know why everyone still overshoots with the new, but now old driving system, like you should have got used to it. Also, just slow down earlier, and make sure you're stopping at the correct places. Boom, perfect stop. Now is there ADS at here? I don't think so. Oop. I might be wrong. Someone said apparently there is one here. Let's hope there's not. Look, there is the 707 that was at Stepford Central, and we saw when we were passing Stepford East. Also, I think they should add the 700 to connect, or maybe even Airlink. I think Airlink is best for it, because they have extended platforms. But even if they do add the 745, like I said, they would need to extend the platforms, because the 700 is 12 cars or 6 cars, and the 745 is 12 cars as well. But SCR devs, why couldn't you add the longer HST? Like, it would be really cool. Or maybe even make the 91, because that is a HST, but instead it also runs electricity. It is a 2+8 car consist, and it has first class, I think. Also, this is off topic, but for British Railway I'm not doing an update video because I do not have enough credits to buy the new 86 train, so sorry about that. Also, tell me if you want me to do some train sim world content, because I feel like I could do something good with that. Also, I might be able to get a mic soon and do some videos with my voice, as I got a new headset for Christmas. By the way, today's question is, what did you get for Christmas? Let me know in the comments. I'm going to speed this up a lot because this video is getting a bit too long, because I try to keep them from 7 minutes to 10 minutes. Now SCR is more realistic, because it has 390s at Birmingham New Street, and Benton is Birmingham New Street. Let's speed it up again. We are now at Leighton Stepford Road. I don't know why I really like Leighton Stepford Road and Leighton City. They're really nice stations. Let's speed it up again. Where is the dispatcher? He is dispatching me. I can't see him though. Here we are at our terminus. I really want to buy the route that goes to Newry for Express and see what that's like. Anyway, that's the video. Bye, and make sure to like and subscribe.